Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix an issue where if you try to open a game in Roblox on your computer, Roblox is not opening and not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Right click on the start icon, select device manager, expand the display adapter section, note that graphics card driver name you have it, and now open a browser. Now the search for the driver you having it. After typing your driver name exactly how you see in the display adapter section, just need to search for the Windows and your Windows bit and search download, and you will be get the official site. Click on it. In here you just need to check your operating system support or not. Mine is Windows 11 64-bit. After checking it, click on download now and download it guys. After downloading it, I already download this one. After downloading it, it will be look like this one. You just need to install it guys. After installing it, the application will be look like this. I already installed it. In my case, I am having GeForce experience. Just need to open it. In your case, AMD or Intel, you just need to open the application. You just need to make sure you logged in your account guys, and after that click on drivers. Now click on check for updates, and checking for updates, if any available updates listed over here, you just need to click on the download option and download it guys. After getting download done, you just need to go to search menu and type uninstall a program. Click on open the control panel, click on uninstall a program. Now search for Roblox. You just need to right click on it and uninstall it guys, the same way studio. Right click on it and uninstall it. After uninstalling Roblox, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to install it back guys. You just need to install the Roblox again. You just need to search for Roblox download, press enter, click on the official Roblox website, click on the download now option and download it guys. After getting download done, your problem will be solved guys. The reason you are getting this error, your drivers are not up to date guys. That's the reason you are getting the error. This solution worked for me guys and more people's guys on Reddit. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.